Warming up across the valley today. Temperatures a little warmer thanks to more sunshine coming through, and I think the sun will try to be back again most of tomorrow afternoon. We'll probably wake up to some patchy clouds in the morning, but a better chance to see more of a mostly sunny sky tomorrow afternoon. Very little rain coming our way. There's a tiny chance of maybe a shower on Friday when a cold front gets close, but a very weak, dying cold front basically that will do almost nothing to our weather. It may drop the humidity a tiny bit on Saturday. The temperatures now 80s and 90s, 80s mainly in the lower valley, 92 though in McAllen, 97 in Rio Grande City, and it is rather humid too. Dew points are up, but they've been knocked back just a little bit today with the breezes picking up. Dew points are in the mid 60s, but they'll be back up there in the 70s once winds die off later tonight. So still a pretty muggy night ahead, which won't allow it to cool off very much. Wind speeds sustained at about 20 to 25 miles per hour, even slightly higher in the lower valley, but that breeze coming in from the south and southeast, keeping the humidity fairly high and keeping temperatures warm. And on future track, you see by 7 p.m. the breeze is still from the southeast, and then they kind of die off late tonight. Probably won't be quite as breezy tomorrow, but you can see the winds. There's in the morning, pretty calm, but by later in the day, you could get a little breeze going, especially in the lower valley. But I think upper valley locations where the winds are lighter will be a little hotter than today as well, with more sunshine and temperatures well into the 90s. Could even touch 100 in Starr County. So this evening, looking for temperatures to fall through the 80s into the upper 70s, with still kind of maybe some patchy clouds increasing as the night goes on ahead, but should start off kind of partly cloudy early in the evening. We still have some high clouds streaming in at times, but the thicker clouds are mostly gone, so you don't see any rain around. But there are a couple showers over the mountains of Mexico, and some of the computer models say if a shower does build up here, it may try to come off the mountains a little bit before it dies. So you may see some of these clouds come off these showers toward the evening hours, especially in Starr County, but don't think the showers will make it that far before they kind of die in the hot, dry weather. Future track, here we are at 5 p.m. shows mainly partly cloudy skies, and you see by this evening at 9 p.m. still partly to becoming more mostly cloudy as the night goes on, and you could see a couple of little showers over there in the evening hours kind of fading away east of the mountains of Mexico. By tomorrow morning when you wake up, humid and maybe some patchy clouds, but I think tomorrow looks like a brighter day with more of a mostly sunny sky again in the afternoon. Still kind of breezy near the coast, but less wind the farther you go inland tomorrow, and temperatures in the 90s nearly everywhere. Friday could be the hottest day coming up between now and the weekend. We should see some patchy clouds in the morning, but sunshine could really take over, and again, maybe a little breezy at the coast, but I think the winds lighter in most places, and temperatures could really get back into the 90s, could even be in the low 100s in Starr County on Friday coming up. So Friday's a hot day, and then we will be tracking a weak cold front to try to drop the humidity just a tiny bit by Saturday. That's why you see on the first 1570 forecast the lows go down just slightly for the weekend, but not a big change. Highs around 93 tomorrow, 97 on Friday. Probably dry Friday, but with a front, very weak front in the area, you can't rule out maybe one shower or a storm trying to pop up somewhere over South Texas or the valley, but it's a slim chance for Friday. Saturday and Sunday look dry for Mother's Day. Mother's Day in the low 90s for mom, so keep her cool on Sunday, and then the hot weather gradually returns next week. There's no strong cold fronts for this time of year in sight, so we're kind of stuck in the hot weather for a while.
I think we're done with the cold fronts.
Yeah, I think they are. I think they've taken summer break already, and won't see them until the fall.
They're retiring.
Yeah.
Hint, hint. All right. Thanks a lot, Alan.